What if I told you Domino's had to make an entire documentary apologizing for how terrible their pizza was? And here's the twist. That brutal honesty didn't just win back customers. It rewired how Google saw the brand. Yes, their apology became an SEO strategy. This is a story about how transparency doesn't just build trust, it boosts rankings. And how, as entrepreneurs, owning your flaws might be the most powerful marketing tool you have. Domino's wasn't always winning. By 2009, the brand was the butt of the pizza joke. Customer reviews called their crust cardboard, their sauce ketchup. Online forums were brutal. Twitter was worse. And this is key, the bad reviews weren't just hurting sales. They were hurting search results. Google's algorithm picked up on the sentiment. People weren't searching for Domino's pizza deals. They were searching why Domino's pizza tastes bad. The algorithm reflected public sentiment. So the worse people felt about the brand, the worse they ranked. This wasn't just a PR crisis, it was an SEO crisis. Domino's did the unthinkable. They filmed a campaign titled Pizza Turnaround.
Pizza, where's the love? How hard? Bread, sauce, cheese, fresh ingredients. Doesn't feel like there's much love in Domino's pizza.
Real executives read real hate comments out loud.
This one's bad. Worst excuse for pizza I've ever had.
The sauce tastes like ketchup.
Totally void of flavor.
And they didn't deny it, they agreed. Then, on camera, they showed their chefs going back to the drawing board, testing ingredients, reinventing recipes. They ran a national apology campaign, both on TV and online. They even rebranded stores with posters that said, "We heard you and we're changing." It was bold, vulnerable, transparent, and it completely changed the conversation. Here's where the SEO magic kicks in. As the campaign gained traction, sentiment shifted. Searches went from Domino's sucks to Domino's apology, Domino's new recipe, Domino's transparency campaign. Positive articles from outlets like Fast Company and Forbes started ranking. Bloggers, food critics, and even Reddit threads praised the honesty. Google's algorithm noticed increased positive user engagement, longer time on site, and higher click-through rates on branded search terms started pushing Domino's back up in rankings. Because guess what? Google ranks based on trust, and trust comes from transparency. Most people think SEO is just keywords, but that's outdated thinking. Google's algorithm is a complex machine powered by human behavior. How long do people stay on your site? Do they bounce? Are they clicking deeper? Are they sharing your content? Do people trust your brand? Domino's didn't just fix their pizza, they fixed how people felt about them. And because trust and user engagement improved, Google rewarded them. Your brand's transparency is your SEO. This is what we tell our clients all the time. You can't SEO your way out of a trust problem. But if you're willing to be honest, authentic, and customer first, you can turn even your biggest failure into fuel for growth. Entrepreneurship isn't about perfection. It's about iteration, listening, adapting. And your audience, your customers, can be your best SEO strategy. If they trust you, they'll click, stay, and share. That's not just branding, that's ranking. So if you've made mistakes, own them. If your service didn't deliver once, fix it publicly. Because in today's digital world, vulnerability can outperform virality. So the next time you worry about a bad review or negative feedback, remember Domino's. And remember this, transparency isn't just good for your soul, it's good for your SEO. If you're an entrepreneur who wants your brand to rank because people trust you, not in spite of it, subscribe. This channel is built for people like you. And if you want to turn your brand story into an SEO strategy, book your free consultation on our website.